Welcome back, everybody. Today is June 11th, and I'm doing a little bit of a garden diary so I can keep track of where things are and when they're blooming. So I thought I'd bring you along. This is the new area that I just finished next to our neighbor tanks. So I thought I may as well beautify it somehow. So we have rose bush died right down. I guess everybody's roses died down to the ground. So we have to start from scratch again. That's what happens in Zone 5B. We got a hard frost late in May. So everything other than that is looking pretty good. The hostas I covered so they didn't get frozen. All of this is new. The ferns, they're coming back, but it's taking a while. So mishmash of fern and hostas, lungwort, fern, and yews, because I don't get any sunshine back in this side. A little bit of a raised bed here. More hostas. This side gets a little bit of sun. So I do have the peonies. This is absolutely gorgeous peony. Look at the size of this thing. I think it's Hawaiian Sunrise or something like that. It's gorgeous and very strong stemmed, so I don't have to, there's no staking of these. I'm behind because of the cold weather. But everything's growing now that we got a little bit of warmth. Still not as warm as it should be, but everything seems to be doing well. Put my pots together. So I got a snake root in the center. Now transplant that into the garden in the fall, but it's like the dark ferny like foliage. And then begonias, wire vine, and I don't remember what these are. It's doing good. Hostas are huge. Rhododendrons are out. Did put in some more heuchera and heucherellas, like that one right there is a heucherella. Seems to be doing okay. The hydrangeas are coming along. This one and this one is a pufferfish, and then that's what's it called? Oh, I can't think of it. The leaves stay really dark, which is nice, and the flowers are pink. Some ferns, and the peonies are just about ready to pop there. It's going to be gorgeous. All my roses have buds. I might have to check them though. I think there's something eating them. I didn't put my waterfall on, but it's working, so that's good. Everything looks pretty good. Added a few heucheras and some hostas in here. Hens and chicks. See, still haven't weeded it. Look at this. It's huge. Gotta get these weeded soon. It's not too bad, but did transplant this rhododendron over here because it was pretty pitiful looking as far as its leaves. It's blooming, so hopefully the new leaves will be a darker green. So everything looks pretty good. Another clematis almost done there. That rose died right down too, which is a shame. My tricolored beech is beautiful. Starting to get irises blooming. Somehow I mixed some yellow with this one. Little African daisies. There's one of the peonies, Ito peonies, and beautiful poppies. Full of buds. Salvia's starting. I did some geums in here, right here, and there's some over there. Those are the Totally Tangerine. This is a new bed that I made last fall. It's already filled. Put this in here as a center point, or a type of interest from looking through the arch. And this one is all sedum, so I won't have to worry about watering back here. Put my ginkgo tree. This is a, oh, wait a minute, I can never remember the name of it. Sunstream. It's got beautiful variegated, and it stays narrow and doesn't get real tall, so I thought this would be a good spot for it. It's a young one. Classes are doing well. Heucheras in there. Still playing with this. Here's my one little bloom. But it's growing, so I'm happy about that, because this tree got eaten, and before that it died to the ground, and then it started sprouting, so I thought I'll try and see if I can get it into a tree form. So it's doing okay. It's a dogwood, by the way. Venus, I think it's called. That's some of my vegetables in. Got some tomatoes, garlic, peppers, but I still need to put some seed in. I hope to do that this weekend. These are Coral Charm. These are so tall. I love these, and the color is just awesome. just about ready to fully open. There's my other one right there. That's the red charm. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Clematis is doing well. There's another Itopini, but I don't know the name of this one. It's a single. Striped. I love that. That's peach berry ice or something. It's a newer one. Coral poppies. Oh, I can just sit here and smell the irises. Oh, it smells so good. Love these. It's a Nepeta. Chartreuse on the loose, I think. It just stays low. Dianthus, and these are almost done. What are they called? They stay nice and low, the foliage. They don't get crazy. I do have some that are the other way. I love these, and these smell gorgeous. Tree peony is done. Wasn't that great this year. Something going on with it. Here's the other. I don't like it. It's too all over the place. I prefer more compact like that. So I'll probably dig those out. Oh, this one's nice. Oh, it's missing a fall. Some swing you over here. Some more irises. These are gorgeous. And an Itopini. This is Copper Kettle. So I just thought I'd take you along and show you what was blooming. Hope you have a great weekend in your garden, and don't forget just to sit and enjoy it. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Bye for now.